You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to say I love you in Portuguese. If you want to learn more Portuguese pronunciation, stay tuned. Also Brazilian Portuguese. I've got more videos for you. Eu te. So it's not really like the spelling suggests, okay? Eu te amo. Eu te amo. Eu te amo is how to say the Portuguese pronunciation of I love you in Portuguese. If you say Eu te amo, it means I love you. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.